A Philippine Coast Guard plane carrying members of the media, including PTV News, was approached by a Chinese Navy radio challenge near Bajo de Masinloc. But standing their ground, the PCG pilots reaffirmed the Philippines' authority to conduct maritime operations in its exclusive economic zone. Our Patrick De Jesus narrates the incident.
The Islander plane of the Philippine Coast Guard or PCG, carrying several members of the media including PTV News, was still approaching Bajo de Masinloc when a radio challenge was heard from the Chinese Navy. The PCG pilots responded, asserting that the Philippines has the right to conduct a Maritime Domain Awareness or MDA flight.
Territorial airspace of People's Republic of China. Inform intention to avoid misunderstanding. We do not possess any legal authority to patrol within the Philippines exclusive economic zone. You are directed to depart immediately and notify us of your intention.
A Chinese naval helicopter was later seen trailing the PCG aircraft, but it did not come close. Despite this, the MDA flight continued, flying directly over the Scarborough Shoal itself. Unlike in previous patrols, there were no Chinese vessels inside the lagoon. However, the floating barrier installed by China was once again seen blocking the entrance of the shoal. Suspected man-made wooden structures could also be seen inside Bajo de Masinloc, which China recently declared as a nature reserve. Outside the shoal, vessels of the China Coast Guard and Chinese Maritime Militia were spotted surrounding the area. From the MDA flight, PCG and before ships deployed at Bajo de Masinloc were seen to support Filipino fisherfolk earning their livelihood in the West Philippine Sea. The Kadiwa ng Bagong Bayaning Mayang Isda or KBBM program continues in the area, providing fuel aid and grocery packs to Filipino fishermen. Deployed here is one of the largest PCG ships, the BRP Teresa Magbanwa, along with the 44-meter vessel BRP Cape San Agustin. They are joined by 6 BFAR vessels and the fishing carrier MV Pamama Lakaya. From the West Philippine Sea, Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.